Hello dear students, today I am going to discuss about how to make a rose flower by a duplex paper. First of all, we need one duplex paper, a single sheet, okay? A single sheets we want for the making one duplex paper rose flower. The second thing, one scissor, Fevicol, one wire, thread and one pen. Okay, now I'm going to start how to make this flower. So first of all, what you have to do, see, this is a duplex paper. Now what you have to do, you have to divide this paper in three parts. First of all, the first part is very small. According to yourself, there is no need to measurement. You have to do yourself only. So first of all, you have to fold in one flower. Then the second one, what you have to do, a big one, okay, like this. In a three parts, you have to divide this paper like small, then big, then more big. Okay, three parts you have to divide like that. Then you have to cut this paper in three shapes like this way. Like I am cutting like this way, you have to also cut this. Now we having the three types of layers, 1, 2 or 3. Now we having now the 3 layers. Now what we have to do, take the first layer, then you have to divide this layer in a 6 layers. How? First of all, take a one fold, then second fold like this, then the third fold. Okay, then what you have to do, take a pen or pencil and draw a leaf shape on this paper. Draw a drawing pattern like this way. Then you have to cut okay. Now we having the 6 layers. Our the small leaf is ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the second number paper. How to cut this? You have to divide this paper in 5 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 layers. Then again you have to do the same thing. You have to cut this paper in a leaf shape like this way. Now this is the middle one leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you have to cut the biggest one leaf. You have to divide in the 4 parts only. Okay, now again you have to do the same pattern, same thing you have to do. You have to cut the leaf form. Like this way you have to cut the all leaf. Now we having the 3 types of leaf. See, this way. This is 6, this is 5 and this is 4 leaves. Okay girls, now I'm going to tell you how to fold this flower, how to tie this flower. Okay girls, now I'm going to tell you how to ready a leaf for the rose flower. What you have to do, you have to take a pencil or pen, whatever you're having. You have to roll the leaf in a whole pen like this. Okay, this way you have to roll the whole leaf. Then take out the pen outside. Then what you have to do, without the help of the 2 thumbs, we having the 2 thumbs, you have to, what you have to do, you have to press the like that. Okay, then this leaf shape will be ready. Okay, I'm telling you again how to do it. This is your plain part. What you have to do, the light part, Okay, you have to roll again this way, then you have to roll it. Okay, then again I'm telling you. The same thing you have to do again this way. Okay, then now what you have to do, you have to ready the all leaves the same pattern, same way you have to ready the all leaves. Okay girls, the all leaves are ready. Okay, this is the small one, this is middle one, and this is the biggest one. Now I'm just going to tell you how to tie the flower. First of all, you have to take a wire, then you have to fold from the hair. Okay, then after folding this wire, what you have to do, take a waste paper, जो हमारा रिमेनिंग पेपर बच गया था, जो हमने कटिंग करने पर हमारा पेपर बचा था, वो पेपर लेंगे और उस पेपर को लेने के बाद में what we have to do, we have to fold the paper like this. Okay, then take a thread and what you have to do, you have to tie this portion this way. That earlier I told you to how to tie a knot in the flower. I've already told you, but I am going to tell you again then how to tie that knot. First of all, you have to take a thread like that, then cross the thread, then you have to like this way. Okay, again I'm telling you, cross the thread, then you like this way. Okay, cross the thread, then you have to do like that. Okay, then what you have to do, first of all, you have to take the small one leaves. Okay, small leaves, then how to tie the leaves like this way. First of all, you have to take a one leaf and you have to tie this way. यानी कि हम पूरी की पूरी लीफ को इस तरह से बांध देंगे. ओके, जो हमारी पहली लीफ होगी हम उसको पूरी तरीके से बिल्कुल अच्छे से टाई करेंगे और जो मैंने नॉट बताई थी हम उसी नॉट को दोबारा से इसको लगाएंगे. I'm telling you again, the cross this way and put like that. Again you have to do one thing, जब हमें सेकेंड लीव्स लगानी होगी तब क्या करना होगा, ये इसका जो मिडल पार्ट है, इस लीफ का जो मिडल पार्ट है, यहाँ से हम लीफ को रखना शुरू करेंगे और इसको हम इस तरह से द सेम वे वी हैव टू टाई द लीफ. यानी कि अब हम जितनी भी लीव्स लगाएंगे, जो स्मॉल वाली हमारी जो लीव्स हैं, जितनी भी लीव्स हम लगाएंगे, हम लीफ का मिडिल पार्ट लेते हुए जाएंगे और फ्लावर को टाई करते हुए जाएंगे. यानी कि जो हमारी लेयर है, लेयर को कवर करते हुए हर लीफ का हम मिडिल पार्ट लेंगे और जो हमारा लीफ है उसको हम इसमें अटैच करते हुए जाएंगे. That I told you that before कि जब भी आप कोई भी लीफ लगा रहे हो या कोई भी नई लीफ लगा रहे हो, you have to tie the knot also. Okay, in every leaf you have to tie a knot. It's a very important, otherwise your flower will be, your leaves will be coming out. Okay, then again you have to do the same thing after putting the all small leaf. Like this is the fifth number leaf. Then again the knot. Knot is very important. I already told you that knot is very important. After every leaf you have to put one knot. It's very important. Okay, then again सी, ये हमारी जो सबसे छोटी वाली लीव्स हैं वो सारी लग चुकी हैं. हमारा सिर्फ छोटी वाली लीफ लगने से ही फ्लावर हमारा काफ़ी बड़ा दिखाई दे रहा है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, अब हम मिडिल वाली लीव्स लगाना शुरू करेंगे, जो कि हमारी कितनी है, 5 लीव्स. इसको हम थोड़ा सा इस तरह से खोलते हुए फ्लावर को बनाना शुरू करेंगे. Then again the same thing. बस अब हमें यही करना है कि हमें हर मिडिल वे से अपनी लीव्स को लगाते हुए जाना है और हर लीफ के बाद हमें एक नॉट ज़रूर लगानी है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वी हैव टू पुट वन नॉट ऑल्सो. ओके, हमें एक नॉट ज़रूर लगानी है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, After completing the all middle leaf, we'll start the putting the big leaf. हमारी जो सबसे लास्ट लीफ बची हुई हैं, सबसे बड़ी वाली, अब हम उसको लगाना शुरू करेंगे. यहाँ पर हमने इसको लगा दिया है, फर्स्ट लीफ को, देन द सेकेंड लीफ. We have to follow the same rules, okay? The same rule we have to follow. That I told you before, that knot is very important in every leaf. You have to check yourself where is the leaf is needed, okay? जहाँ पर भी आपको लग रहा है कि यहाँ पर लीफ की ज़रूरत है फ्लावर के अंदर, आप उसी जगह पर लीफ को लगाएंगे. Like I am giving an example, like see the flower. Okay, in my views there is a need one leaf here because look like a incomplete. So I am putting my leaf here. Okay, now the thread portion is complete. See, after completing the all leaves, see the flower. Now I'm going to tell you how to put the tape. Okay girls, the flower is ready. Now I'm going to tell you how to put the tape. First of all, you take a Fevicol, then take a tape and put some Fevicol in the edge of tape. Okay, then you have to put here tape like this. इसे यहाँ पर चिपकाना है. चिपकाने के बाद इसको बहुत ही टाइटली होल्ड करना है अपनी राइट फिंगर से, ठीक है. उसके बाद अपनी लेफ्ट फिंगर से इसको हम खींचते हुए जाएंगे, थोड़ा सा प्रेशर लगाते हुए इसको खींचेंगे और खींचते हुए हम इसे नीचे की तरफ फोल्ड करते हुए इस वायर के ऊपर लपेटते हुए हम इसको नीचे की तरफ लाएंगे इस तरीके से. Okay, now cut it. See, now the flower is ready. Okay girls, I hope you like this flower. Okay, it's a very easiest way to how to make a rose flower. Thank you so much and God bless you.